Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I am going to be unboxing my Tribe Beauty box. This is a bi-monthly subscription and I believe it's $45. I'm gonna look. Okay, no, this is $34.99. Again, it is every 2 months, I do know that for sure. This says, treat yourself to the best of indie beauty with the award-winning Tribe Beauty Box. It's our goal to help you discover the next big thing in beauty. Each box is valued at $120 or more, so you can enjoy and discover the best of indie beauty at a fraction of the cost. So you do get 5 full-size products. This is the best of indie and female-owned makeup brands delivered right to you. And again, it says it's at least worth up to or over $120. So this is the April 2021 box bag. And ooh, I tell you what, the smell got to me as soon as I opened it. But anyways, yes, my name is Kristen. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel with this video. I do unboxings here. I do fantastic, or at least I'm working on doing fantastic makeup. I think this turned out, oh, I love it. I'm gonna link it up there in the corner for you if you want to see how I achieved this Beetlejuice looking look. So let's get back into unbagging this Tribe Beauty box. Yes, as I said, the smell really got to me, and you'll see why in a moment. I'm going to pull out all the items. I already looked in here. I kind of already knew spoilers anyways because I saw them in a couple groups I'm in. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to put right back in this bag to get the fuck rid of it. Oh yeah, this is so gross. So, Spongel. I got a Spongel. This is a Bulgarian Rose body wash infused buffer, and this retails for $16. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Exfoliate and cleanse all at the same time. This hypoallergenic sponge has a time-release creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. It moisturizes, rejuvenates, and restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk. I do have actually a pumpkin spice one that I got in, I think, a BoxyCharm like add-on, and I haven't used it yet. At least that one smells good. This one smells like bleh, gross. I hate rose. So that'll go into a giveaway, so hopefully someone else in the future likes it. Let's go on to the next one. So this is, I'm just going to grab it at random. Suva Beauty. This is Elysium liquid lipstick, and this retails for $18. And it says, Suva Beauty's glossy lamination liquid lipstick is formulated to deliver a punch of opaque color and comfortable flexibility. Let's see what this looks like. I'm going to open the box, but I might not actually keep this because I have so many lip products. And these places keep giving us lip products, and you know what? I understand because they've had this stuff planned out for a while. But at this point, it's just like, it's too much. So, come on. There we go. It is a very pretty color. And I don't like liquid lipsticks either. So, I'm going to open it. That will go with the rose thing into a giveaway. A future giveaway. Okay, the next thing I'm going to grab here. This is Steve Laurent Limited Edition Tweezer Duo. This says it's $24. I know we already had this conversation on a previous video. One of my friends told me, who's an actual cosmetologist, told me that really good tweezers can cost a lot. Look, I get it. But me, I would never pay $24, even $12. Maybe mostly because I get them in my boxes here, but still. Anyways, this says, say goodbye to pesky stray hairs. Perfectly calibrated tension for more control and a stress-free... I can't speak today. I blame the COVID vaccine. And a stress-free tweezing ritual. This duo includes 2 stainless steel tweezer designs, one with a slant tip and one with a pointed tip. Okay, let us see. I'm opening it up with tweezers too. Hilarious. Alrighty. I mean, they just look like basic tweezers to me. I mean, I don't need to try to test them out, so I'm just going to put them back in there. I'll keep them. That's fine. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is a matcha detoxifying clay mask. Alright, this retails for $6.50 and it says this mask is the perfect way to cleanse and detoxify your pores. Want an intense clean feeling? Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. It says works to rid skin surface of unwanted buildups and impurities and assists with prevention of acne. And this doesn't look like a typical mask. Yep, okay, I thought it must be little individual things, and they're not like regular masks. They're in these little tiny packets. It almost looks like teas, which is hilarious. Because at first I'm like, that doesn't look like what masks normally come in. I will keep that, depending on the smell. If I use one and I don't like the smell, then we'll be done with it. Okay, and the next thing I'm pulling out, I already pulled this out of the packaging. They did package it very nicely. They had it in bubble wrap. But this is Laura Geller, New York. This is Super Size Baked Gelato Illuminator, and I think this is Diamond Dust. Yes, this is Diamond Dust. And it says, this best-selling illuminator is yours in a supersize that will last you a lifetime. This limited edition supersize version applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color for a youthful lip from within glow. And I don't know if you can see here. Wait, let me open him up. Open it up. I don't know if this translates well on the screen, but it's like, it really is like super pretty. Like, oh my god, I'm glad I chose this one. This was my pick. Take that and put it on the back of my hand. We'll see if this will show up. It's like pinky red, but it's so pretty. Definitely keeping that. I don't know if that shows up on the screen very well. It is super pretty though. That is definitely something I'm keeping. Okay, and then the last thing, this is a palette, a Sweetheart palette. And what does this say? Oh, Lorella Cosmetics Sweetheart palette. This retails for $20. And this says, you have the perfect balance of mattes and shimmers that can create the most subtle of looks to the sultries. With blushing and bright pinks to soft champagne and peaches to deep and bold shades, you'll have everyone swooning over your eyeshadow glam. Wow, I can't speak. Okie dokie, let's take a look at you. It does have a little plastic thing. This is really cute, actually. I mean, look at that color story. So we got reds, we have dark reds, we have purples, pinks, kind of purpley blues, we got shimmers, we got mattes. So, I mean, that is cute. Do I really need to keep this, though? I might think about it. I haven't touched the colors or anything. Like I said, there's a little bit of like red around this one. It looks like something happened there. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I don't know if I would use this. So I'm just going to put the plastic in here for now, and I guess we'll see if that is in a future giveaway. I certainly need to do a declutter because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. Everything else, not so much. I do have a lot of highlighters, but like eyeshadow palettes is definitely the thing I have the most of. Of course, I think that's mostly what I love out of makeup. I love doing the eyeshadow, and that's why I'm so glad I was able to figure out how to do this. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god, shut up. That was my phone. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this. I guess you could consider this like a spoiler video for Tribe Beauty Box, because pretty much I think that's what everyone gets in their boxes. You might have gotten a different color for that Laura Geller highlighter. That it looks like you could have gotten Gilded Honey if you weren't able to choose. Yeah, everything else looks like that's what everyone got. So I guess if you use this, use a QR code on that, you can receive 10% off. So that's cool. I don't need to use it because all I really get, I've never really ordered anything else from them. All I've gotten is the Tribe Beauty Box, and it's like I said, it's every 2-month subscription. And yeah, I think that's pretty cool. I think I actually have a few other ones. I think I got my last 2 ones. I never unboxed them. Anyways, maybe I'll do that later. So maybe I'll do like a double unboxing with that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. I do upload every single day at 10 a.m. Pretty much just what I feel like, whether it's unboxings like this one's, eye looks like this. I'm learning how to beat my own face here. And eventually I want to get into wrestling stuff. I haven't done that yet, but I absolutely adore wrestling. Why? I don't know. It's like costumed murder gymnastics. Like, It's like violent soap opera. Yeah, anyways, with that said, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.